Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for July 17th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair did create an inside bar on Friday. Didn't gap much at the open, just a little bit. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 79.65, possibly as low as 78.48. Look for some resistance around 79.50 and look for some support around 78.75. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed up on Friday, did gap a significant amount, about 41 pips. We are looking for that to retrace prior to Friday's close. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 142.70, possibly as low as 139.88. Look for some resistance around 14200 and look for some support around 140.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed down. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 162.39, possibly as low as 160.09. Look for some resistance around 161.95 and look for some support around 160.50. This pair did gap at the open, as you can see here, gap down about 28 pips. It's almost retraced, went basically right up to 1 pip to retracing and has pulled back from there. Now looking at the US Swiss, this pair gapped down. It's trying to retrace as quickly as it possibly can. It's moving to the upside, still looking for this pair to move down. However, on a reversal, possibly going as high as 0.8235, possibly as low as 0.8009. Look for some resistance around 0.8200 and look for some support around 0.8075. Now, as far as news analysis go, we have at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow, we have the Australian Reserve Bank releasing their board information. Basically their minutes from July. No time really given on, or no consensus on that, as it's just the information. The big impacts already happened when the actual numbers came out. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, we do have an inside bar that was created in the US-Japanese yen pair. I do believe if we get back up to the 79.89 area, we could see it retrace up to the 80 mark, basically grabbing roughly about 50 pips on that move. So that's one potential move I'm looking for. Then if we go to the Euro-USD pair, we have a potential for a break of Friday's low and then coming back and tagging this high. It's not a whole lot of room, but it is enough to grab just a few pips, about 30 pips between those two. I do believe we'll see that during the market action of today. We're not crossing any 50 marks or 00 marks during this move. I do believe we'll see it, and we are getting somewhat close to it already. So I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.